Alright, we're going to be doing repairing this tarp, and I got this tarp from Mike Favia, and this had a rip in it, so I just finished taking the loop off, the grommet, and instead of, because this tarp I use, it only has so many tie-out points. And on here on this paper, it shows it has on every 4 corners it had one, and also had one here and here, and that was it. So I'm going to add let's see, here, let's see. So we're going to add some more tie-out points. So I think it was I think that was it. Maybe it was just here. Yeah. So this many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I might add others, but for now I'm going to do these. So I'm also going to add, I'm going to take out the rest of these grommets, and I'm going to add some new pieces on here and sew those in. And then also on the midway point where there's here, then I'll add one like that, glue it in, and then stitch around there so I could add these cross grain and some D-rings. And I'll also be doing the cross grain and D-rings here as well. So this will be 3.5 feet down or so. And I'll stitch these in. I might go bigger because it looks like I need to go a little bit bigger, but this is just to help reinforce that area. So that's what I'll be doing, working on. So I'll just get started on that. I'll get the cross grain and the D-rings and I'll show you guys those. So here's my cross grain loops I got sewn right there, and the D-ring, and those will be going on here just like this, and then this will get sewed in right there, so I'll be able to tie it down wherever I want to. And the same with the midsection further down, it'll be just like that. So that's my project I'm working on, and tonight I'll be gluing these down in the spots that I need to, and then sewing them tomorrow after they dry. Alright, so this is what it'll look like. This is the ridge line right here. I'll put a half circle piece here and along here, and then also the top. All the triangle pieces will go in the corners as illustrated, and I'll measure these all out for tie-out points for my tarp tent and such. Okay, I got 1, 2, 3 places glued down. This is the ridge line right here. So got that glued down, so I just got to do the other side over there. Alright, the next thing I gotta do is cut this off and put another rounded edge right there on both sides, and then we'll do the corners. Okay, next I got those pieces glued on, So next we're going to hit all 4 corners and remove these, and then glue on that triangle piece, and then after that then we'll stitch it. But first I got to remove these because they just tend to tear out. I can see this one already is going for, so I want to replace those as well. Okay, got all the 3 corners done. And this is what the other side look like, but I'm gonna add some more adhesive in there, and then it'll be good. I just have one more corner to do, and I'll show you that right now, the one that's really damaged, but I'll show you that. And here's the one that was really damaged, and I took the grommet out, but yeah, it'll be, because it got ripped and it pulled over to right here. But then I took the grommet out. So now I have to glue this piece on and then flip it over, and then probably move this over like that so it'll stick on better. And then probably have to glue a piece on this side as well. But yeah, so that's what I'm going to be working on next to that piece. So we'll get back to you. Alright, right now I'm sewing these across right here. I'm not the best at sewing, so I'm not recording that part. Just beginning, but yeah, I'll just sew that, and then I'm almost done with those. So okay, I got it all done sewing all the ends on there, so I'll show you what I did. Okay, here's a corner. On one side, I only have one in the middle, just like that. It's not no pro stitching because I'm just a beginner, but yeah, that's how it's coming out. Some's a little bit worse than that, but it's still staying, so it'll be good. And I'll show you the other side that has the more D-rings and stuff. Okay, so here's the side that has more of the D-ring holders, and this is the one that was the damaged one that I added on, and I'll have to glue this down some more, but at least it'll be able to tie it down instead with those little grommets. And there's the other in betweens. There's five of these down both sides, and the other side has only one in the middle. And here's the center. This one's a little bit crooked, but that's alright. This part's in the center anyways, so that's okay. And then here's another one. I got it sewn in the box and then crisscrossed right there. But all the corners are looking pretty good, so I'll just wait till we go set it up and we'll check it out. But there's all the modifications I did to this the Bluestone Tarp. So look forward to that on the next outing. Show some shelter setups instead of just the A-frame type or whatever. Alright, thanks for watching.